In a picturesque village nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, there lived a young boy named Oliver. His bright eyes sparkled like the stars in the night sky, and his laughter was as melodious as the songs of the birds. Oliver had a unique gift. He could talk to animals. Every day after finishing his chores, Oliver would venture into the woods, where he would sit under the old oak tree and chat with his woodland friends. The animals adored Oliver's company, and they shared tales of their adventures and the wonders of the natural world. Oliver, in return, shared his dreams and aspirations with them. One day, while exploring deeper into the forest, Oliver stumbled upon a hidden meadow filled with the most vibrant and colorful flowers he had ever seen. At the center of the meadow stood a magnificent unicorn, its pearly white coat glimmering in the sunlight. Oliver's heart skipped a beat as their eyes met. "I never thought I'd meet a unicorn," Oliver said in awe. The unicorn approached him, its hooves barely making a sound on the soft grass. "Greetings, young one. My name is Aurora," the unicorn spoke in a voice as soft as a gentle breeze. Oliver introduced himself, and from that day on they became inseparable. Aurora revealed that she was the guardian of the enchanted meadow, a place where magic thrived, and the bond between humans and nature was cherished. She sensed something special in Oliver, an unwavering love and respect for all living creatures. As their friendship blossomed, Oliver and Aurora made a pact to protect the forest and its inhabitants from any harm. With the help of his woodland friends, Oliver learned ancient secrets of the forest, such as how to heal wounded animals and nurture sick plants. The village soon began to notice the positive changes in the woods, and people marveled at the newfound harmony between humans and nature. One evening, as the sun painted the horizon in shades of gold, a heavy storm rolled in, and a terrible darkness loomed over the village. The rain poured down relentlessly, causing floods and destruction. The villagers were frightened and sought refuge in the safety of their homes. Oliver knew that the forest and its creatures needed his help. With Aurora by his side, he set out to calm the storm's fury. Together they sang songs of hope and kindness, and their voices carried across the land, soothing the raging tempest. The rain slowly subsided, and the storm clouds dispersed, leaving behind a breathtaking rainbow that stretched across the sky. The villagers witnessed the magical moment and realized the true wonder of nature's harmony. They now understood that the forest and its inhabitants were not to be feared, but cherished and protected. Oliver's bond with Aurora and his love for the natural world inspired everyone in the village to live in harmony with nature. They started planting more trees, cleaning up the rivers, and creating sanctuaries for wildlife. As years passed, the village thrived, and Oliver's legacy became a cherished part of their folklore. People believed that he possessed a touch of magic, a special connection with nature that made the world a more beautiful place. And so, the village of Oliver and the magical meadow of Aurora became a symbol of the profound bond that can be forged between humans and nature, reminding all that love, kindness, and respect can create a world where the beauty of life is celebrated and preserved for generations to come.